Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will continue to learn about enclitics with a focus on the word pa. In our previous lessons, we have seen that there are many enclitic particles or mga katagang enclitiko in the Filipino language. Highlighted in yellow are the ones that we have already learned. Now, enclitics are short words that do not stand on their own, do not usually have a meaning of their own, but when we add it to a sentence, they add tone, emphasis, or nuance. Today's lesson will focus on just one word, pa. This is a very useful enclitic in the Filipino language, and you are about to find out why. We use the word pa when we want to express more. Here are some example sentences. Is there more food? Meron pa bang pagkain? Is there, meron, more, pa, food, pagkain. And we also use the enclitic ba because this question is answerable by yes or no. And ng is after ba for a smooth flow between the word ba and pagkain. There's more. Meron pa. There is also meron. Is there more? Meron pa ba? There is more pasta. Meron pang pasta. What more do you want? Ano pang gusto mo? What, ano? Do want, gusto. You, mo. So this is how we use pa as more. But if we want to say something like more, what we say is sige pa, sige pa. Another way we use pa is to express still. Here are example sentences. I am still here. Nandito pa ako. I am ako. Still pa. Here, nandito. I still have time. May oras pa ako. Have, may, time, oras. Are you still there? Nandiyan ka pa? You, ka. There, nandiyan. It is still early. Maaga pa. Early, maaga. And is it still raining? Umuulan pa ba? Raining, umuulan. So that is how you can use the word pa to express still. Another way we use pa is to express yet. To learn about how to use pa, let us ask a question. Did you eat already? Kumain ka na? Did eat, kumain. You, ka, already, na. Not yet, hindi pa. Not, hindi. Yet, pa. I don't have time yet. Wala pa akong oras. I, ako. Don't have, wala. Time, oras. And yet is pa. I am not done with work yet. Hindi pa ako tapos sa trabaho. I am, ako. Done, tapos. With, sa. Work, trabaho. And again, there is yet, pa. We also use pa to express a future action or event. For example, later, mamaya pa. Later is mamaya. I am just about to start. Magsisimula pa lang ako. I am ako. Just lang. About to start. Magsisimula. And then we use pa after magsisimula, after the action that we are about to do. Later in the evening, mamayang gabi pa. Evening, gabi. Not until after dinner. Pagkatapos pa ng hapunan. After, pagkatapos. Dinner, hapunan. We also use pa whenever we express even though, even if. Here are some examples. Even if I don't want to, I will do it. Kahit pa ayaw ko, gagawin ko ito. Even if, kahit, and we added pa. I, ko. Don't want, ayaw. Will do, gagawin. It, ito. I will go, even though it is far. Pupunta ako kahit pa malayo ito. I, ako. Will go, pupunta. Even though, kahit, and we added pa. Far, malayo. I will try, even in the evening. Susubukan ko, kahit pa sa gabi. Will try, susubukan. Even, kahit. In the, sa, and evening, gabi. Again, notice that we added pa after kahit. So you can say that it is a pair. Whenever we use kahit, we add pa. But we can also use kahit on its own without pa. It's just that in Filipino, we are used to adding pa. But if you say kahit sa gabi, that's also fine. We also use pa when we want to say else. Here are some quick examples. Who else? Sino pa? Who, sino. Else, pa. What else? Ano pa? What, ano. Where else? Saan pa? Where, saan. When else? Kailan pa? When, kailan. Why else? Bakit pa? Why, bakit. How else? Paano pa? How, paano. Let us expand these sentences to give it more meaning. Who else will do this? Sino pa ang gagawa nito? Will do, gagawa. This, nito. What else will happen? Ano pa ang mangyayari? Will happen, mangyayari. Where else will we go? Saan pa tayo pupunta? Will go, pupunta. We, tayo. Let us expand this next set of questions. When else are we going to move? Kailan pa tayo kikilos? We, tayo. Going to move, kikilos. Why else will he change? Bakit pa siya magbabago? Will change, magbabago. He, siya. How else will things improve? Paano pa bubuti ang mga bagay. Will improve, bubuti. Things, mga bagay. That is our lesson on the very useful word pa. And for your homework, practice using pa in your sentences whenever you speak Filipino. Have fun! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!